Welcome to the Amazon Besto Calf Brace Showcase. We've scoured Amazon to bring you the top-rated calf braces that provide the support and comfort you need. Let's dive right in and explore these fantastic options. Nekteck Leg Massager uses some rolling and vibration massage to support knees, calves, and feet, relieving fatigue. Its portable design makes it convenient for travel and storage. COMFIER Massager provides gentle rolling and complete foot and calf massage for overall relaxation. It's suitable for those looking for a spa-like experience at home. Human Touch Calf Massager offers various intensity levels and modes of compression massage to effectively relieve leg muscle fatigue. Its portable design allows for use anywhere. CINCOM Calf Massager provides deep tissue massage to relieve muscle tension and promote blood circulation. It's effective for post-workout or long-day muscle recovery. Fit King Massage Calf Massager offers both heat and vibration massage to relax muscles and alleviate stress. It also provides a multifunctional massage for the entire leg.